Today unboxing is on the latest Era Car G63 AMG 6x6 that comes in 4 colorway. Big thanks to Era Car for sending this to me to review for you. They are now available at the Era Car web store, which you can refer to the link down below. I also did a review for the Spotlight Yellow version on the first day of 2020. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the G63 in red and black. The red on the body comes in semi-gloss finish, while the black comes in high gloss. Also love the red color that comes in the slight pearl textures, which make it look more premium. The wood paneling also comes in red, and I really like the chrome treatment that is an added bonus throughout the casting. Wheel set wise, it rolls extremely well, it's very fast. Highlight is definitely the opening features on the doors on both sides, and also the hood, which reveal the detailed engine compartment. And when compared the casting with the AMG that comes in white, the distinctive difference are the position light on the roof panel on the white, and also the carbon fiber treatment. This AMG that comes in white color is popular among collectors. The specs and finishing are totally similar to the Spotlight Yellow version, which is my most favorite casting. Same chrome treatment with realistic wood paneling, and opening features with realistic interior, which is really a bonus in diecast photography. And lastly, the AMG in green. This is really a unique casting and it stands out among the rest because of its matte finishing. It's also one of the most rugged and tough looking AMG among the lot. The opening features is a big plus, including the painted interior. The G63 AMG 6x6 is definitely one of my most favorite casting, and this casting is definitely highly recommended. More Era Cars unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!